Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. And this reading is for Libras for the month of July 2020 in their love matters. And this reading is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and anyone who is drawn towards it. Cross watchers are also welcome. And I have shuffled the cards and laid them out. On my left I have the cards of Libra I have spread, and on my right I have the cards of your person you are dealing with currently. Okay, so we will just start with your reading and we will do the clarification side by side wherever needed. Okay, and this is a general reading for Libras, so it may not resonate with everyone, so take whatever it resonates. Okay, and the energy can be vice versa. Okay, so let's start with your reading, Libras. Overall, what I'm feeling here is that there is someone in your life, Libras, who is just taking you for granted. Okay, whenever they want they come, whenever they want they leave. Okay, they are some sort of immature energy, a playful playing kind of energy. Okay, they just want to keep a tab on you. Okay, whether you are still there, they don't want you to move on with someone, just keeping you busy with them, with their stuffs, whatever nonsense they do. Okay, and they don't want to go to someone else, they don't want you to be happy with someone else. Okay, so that's why they come, they go, they come and leave you, and you are just feeling sick of this person. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is that you are enough of dealing with this shit. Okay, you don't want to deal with this person anymore. You don't understand that why this person treats you like this and behaves like this. You have tried a lot to understand this person for the time being you are together, but till now you don't understand that why this person behaves so weirdly with you and in this relationship. Okay, even you don't feel like you are in a relationship with this person. Okay, and you are really exhausted and mentally tired. You want to give up on this person, and what I'm feeling here is that this person has also dealt you improperly and misbehaved with you, maybe have verbally abused you or physically for some. I don't think this person is a really a loving kind of energy. Okay, this person is a real sadist I am feeling here. Okay, but till now you were in love with this person and you were trying to understand, that why maybe he has some issues from his past, or there is something you don't know about this person which can be affecting this person's psychology or ideology about the relationships. You were trying to understand this person. Okay, and that's why you gave this person a lot of time to improve themselves and this relationship. Okay, to show some improvement in them, and so that they can show some sincerity to you. But till now you have not understood anything significant about this person's behavior. You are feeling like this person is like this only, and you want to give up on this person. At the bottom of the deck, what I'm seeing is a 5 of hearts. So, and here also I have the 5 of diamonds. So a strong indication of this person's coming in, going out in your life, like a pendulum. Okay, so, and this is something which is not really healthy for a relationship to grow. And anyone wants a person who stays with them whenever they need. Okay, but in this connection it's not like that. Whenever you need them, they are not there. Okay, and whenever they want, they just come in. So you are just tired of this. Okay, and you want to move on, but this person does not let you. And what I'm seeing here in your immediate and near future is that, but however hard this person try, you are moving on, because you have now met a new person with whom you are in love with. Okay, so card of lovers, the king of hearts. So you have met someone who is treating you like a queen, and he's really a king at his heart. Okay, a really giving person, mature person, emotionally stable, who wants to be with you and wants to support you financially, emotionally, physically, every way. Okay, and you want a person like this. Okay, not like this, the king of spades. Okay, so you want a person like a king of hearts, and you are meeting this person in your immediate and the near future, Libras. Okay, so happy days, Libras. Moving on to your persons. So what I'm seeing here is that this person, this is not the person, the king of hearts, because this person you will meet, okay, or many of you have already met. Okay, but the reading these cards are, this is for the person who is coming in and going out of your life. Okay, so this is this person, king of spades. So this person were dealing with you and with someone else also, and that's why they were coming in and going out. So they were just trying both of you. So this is really clear that why this person was behaving in that manner, because they were dealing with someone else also. Okay, and their present energy is telling me that they have gone through a breakup with this person, king of diamonds. Okay, and that's why they want to come back to you, and maybe this happens again and again. Okay, so you never know, but soon this person will receive a message from you, Libras, or from the people surrounding them, that you are moving on with someone else new, king of hearts, in your life, and this will change the whole dynamic of this relationship. Okay, and this will make you free of this person, of this toxic person. Okay, so the happiest news here is that you are meeting this king of hearts, and with the six of hearts, the card of lovers. So there is no denial that you are falling in love with this person new, and I think after this nothing else is important. Okay, so you don't have to think much about this person anymore. Let's see what's the message for Libras from Divine and Universe over this connection. Sometimes we remain in a relationship because we don't have other options, and we try to understand that person more deeply. Okay, and that's the reason we are sometimes trapped in a toxic relationship, because we don't see the other door. Okay, we don't see the other options. But when you will meet this person new in your life, Libras, you will get a new door, and you will easily and quickly run out of the situation. Okay, so this is what happens when you meet the right person, right? So let's see the message from Divine and Universe over this connection. I want a message from Divine and Universe over your new connection with this king of hearts. Okay, so let's see. Four of hearts. So this is stability. The stability which you were not receiving in your past relationship. Okay, you will get this. So the most important message for you is stability. Okay, and you will get a stability in your love life, which will boost your other spheres of life. Okay, so let's see. Three of Spades. So this is the card of clarity and the Queen of Spades. So this is you having wisdom, having strength, having courage, having ambitions, and the strength to achieve your ambitions. Okay, so what is the message of divine and universe in this connection is that this connection will be a real connection for you. Okay, for some it can be a life partner. Okay, and this is gonna bring you a lot of stability, which will help you to become a empress. Okay, you will now focus on your other goals, like your ambitions, because with this person you were not able to focus on your goals because he was keeping you busy in their stuffs. Okay, and they were draining you like anything. But with this person is a selfless, unconditional love. You need not to worry about this person. Okay, they are with you, and this is called stability. Okay, Empress, now you are not worried about your personal life because that is stable, and now you're focusing your intentions, your energy on your career, your profession in this world, in improving others. Okay, and the environment or atmosphere you are working with, and the clarity. Okay, so this is what happens when a right person enters your life, Libras. You never realize that how relieving it is. It's like the toxicity is being released from your body itself, right? So a really beautiful reading for you, and I'm really happy for you guys. I hope you have received the messages I have provided to you, and I hope everything goes well. So we will end here, Libras. Till next video, take care. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.